Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me at K Warner Studio. I received a package from scrapbook.com with my purchases in it, and I just wanted to show you this really good deal that I found. If you like to do albums or scrapbooks, cards with themes, or I'm not sure, anything else where you need some good quality paper and some embellishments, this is the deal for you. I have the girl version, but there are two others, and I'll put the links below in the description of this video. But one is called Blast Off, and the regular prices run from $57 to $50. So Blast Off is one, and they all come with the same kind of things. And the second one is, just let me find it here. I had it 2 minutes ago. When you're rushing, you know, you can never find what you're looking for. And the second one is called Good Vibes. So it could be for like a teenager. So perhaps we have youth, teenager, girl, and boy. And they're all, this one here is 13, I believe. 13 or 13, yeah, $13. And the other two are 16. So yeah, I'll put the links below, but the regular price for the $16 is $57, and this one is $50, and I believe it. So let's get at it. So, pardon the noise, I haven't opened it yet. I just looked at all of the, I'm going to cut the top off here, that might be better, so you guys aren't having the noise on your ears. Although you could turn the volume down, but sometimes it doesn't work that way. Then I have some angry comments, and it's not really, I'm not the one that made the plastic, but we'll go on from here. So I've cut the top off. So you have a 12 by 12 paper collection with glitter. Ooh, and it's really thick paper. Can you hear that? And on the back of this is stars. So we seem to have two of each. Okay, so we have the castles, the stars, crowns, with the crowns with foil, I thought it was two pieces, but it's not, it's one. And then we have the stripes, so they could be vertical or horizontal, depending on your preference. And the reverse side is diamonds and crowns, and this is all foiled. We've got the pennant here, or scroll, depending on what you call it. So it's the second side. Wait, now do I have three of those? I do. So there's three of these. And then we have polka dots. It's always the soft, pale pink. Oh yeah, there's three of each sheet. And then this one here is swans, with cattails or bulrushes, depending what you call it, and that is foiled as well. Now nice soft feminine colors. Then we have a brighter pink with the larger polka dots, and then hearts, and that has a glitter heart on it. So we have two more of those, so there's three of those as well. And then we have narrow pinstripes, and then on the back is good for a scrapbook page or an album. This could even be good for Disney if you were going to treat your kids. And then there are two of those. Did I say two? No, there's three of those, sorry. And then this is what really gets me, because I know how expensive this stuff is. So then we have some cardstock stickers with lots of shine foil. Not on every one of them, but there's certainly half of them. So we have sparkle, twinkle, the different crowns, stars, once upon a time, enchanted, dream big, sweet, fairest of all, believe, believe, dreams come true. And then we've got a few more banners and things. But look at these. These are enamel pins. So we have little gal with blonde hair and a crown, another crown, a swan, and a mirror. And they all have the pins in the back, the attachments. We've got some die cut or ephemera, depending on where you are. And there's 56 pieces in this pack. And we'll open it so that you can have a good look at what's in here. Oh, I don't want to trim off the top on this one because it'll be all over the place. Because in case people haven't figured it out yet, this gal is not the most organized. So here we have the foiled crown, and then we have a wand, as though it's a heart-shaped wand, as though the foil stars are coming off of it. We've got this beautiful tiara, foiled as well. We have castle, bird, and then we have some lovely foiled banner. And we've got different, we've got some triangles with crowns on them and hearts on each side. You can see that. And then we have diamond that's foiled. We've got some little accent pieces, some fans, flowers. The fan is foiled. We have a larger flower. And then we have the word believe. These can punch out here so that these are in too, but those will come out. You can tell they're just not punched out. And then we have magic, the same thing. We've got the centers and the words that do come out. Some more flowers. This is a nice spray of flowers. Nice big one, yellow. Here's the same flower in pink. I'm going to turn this light around a little bit. I just didn't want the foil to be too bright. And then we have another banner that you could stamp or write or anything. So we have a few blank ones. Enchanted, which is foiled. And we have the same handheld mirror. That's in the enamel. Is that what they're called? Enamel? Yeah, enamel pins. And we have this banner with a wish. A shield. A flag that you could put your child's name on, anything really that's foiled. We have the carriage, foiled wheels. This is foiled, as are the two things, and the part that holds drapery. This frame, this flower comes out, as does this portion. So all three of parts could be used. And then you have this really nice frame for their picture. We've got a few more that are like that. This is all foiled, although this part will come off and the flower will come out. So it has 1, 2, 3 parts, as does the previous one. We've got the plain banner, a bouquet or spray, depending on how you want to use it. And then we have some real glittery words here. Glitter paper. The sections pop out that are still in here. It's probably to keep them from tangling up within the packet. So this one says sparkle. This one says princess. Let's see if I can get a piece of paper behind them so you can get the effect. Yes, this one says princess. Sparkle. Smile, and it's all glitter paper, and nothing's coming off on my hand, so that's good. And then we have shapes. We have stars, a couple stars, so 3 different stars. We have some hearts, and 3 different sizes as well. And then we have this. It's nice and glittery as well. And then we have this frog or toad, depending on, I guess, the story that you've watched or listened to or read. And then we have some gals. And we have the different races, I guess you could say, because we have 3 different skin tones, which is about time they've started to put things like this in, because we're not all the same. So it's great. I think it's great anyway. Perhaps you might have a different opinion. And then we have the swan. And this is glitter crown on all the gals here. We have this one too that has the glitter. So it could be a flag, a pendant, a scroll, depending on what you've... And here's a larger size with the crown, and this one has the heart. So they could be different sizes tags. And then we have this one here. And then this is another one that has 1, 2, 3 pieces. So the crown pops out, as does this layer, and then around here. So the foil would be here on this piece and on the outside. So that's great. And then we have this big one here. Same thing here. We've got the outside that has glitter on it. We have the inside one that has glitter on it, and then the crown. So that's all that's in that packet. And then still something else to come. Puffy stickers. Yep, 24 puffy stickers. So we have the 3 gals, 3 different hairstyles. We have the crowns, fairy tale, the shield, the flag or the pendant or the bunting, whatever you want to call it, princess, hearts. This is just going to be so nice for scrapbooks, and I'm into the albums lately, so this is what it's for. It's for my youngest granddaughter, so I'm really excited about this. So as I mentioned, I will put the link below directly to the item, and I will list the other 2 that are available. I don't know how long it's going to last, but at a deal like this, I just bought an Echo Park one, and I bought the items to complete it, and I spent almost $50 doing it. So this is not an exaggeration of the value of, as they do sometimes, but I doubt very much if these pins, these 4 pins, would be at least $10 a piece if they were a different line. So thank you so much for joining me, and not only that, the paper's good quality and it's well coordinated. So thank you so much for joining me and taking time out of your very busy day to spend it with me. Bye bye.